Hi, Gretens. Today we are continuing with the Euclidean geometry. So if you did not see the video one, I suggest you need to check it out so that you see where we started. All right, this one is just a follow-up. All right, now let's just get straight into it. It says find W, find X, find Y, and Z. And then prove that AC is parallel to DE. All right, so let's just do that. First of all, what we can do is to find W. All right, we have W is this one. All right, so when we look at this, we see that, oh, that one is just a straight line there. Okay, it's a straight line. So we need to add all these angles. Okay, we add all of these angles, these 1, 2, 3 angles, we add them, and they must give us 180 degrees. So we will say 48 plus 25 plus W, this must give us 180 degrees. What is the reason? They are what? They are just angles on a straight line. On a straight line. Alright, that is the reason. So now if we say W is equal to 180 degrees minus 48 degrees minus 25 degrees, let's see what we get. I get 107 degrees. Alright, so which means angle W is equal to 1, angle W, this one, it's 107 degrees. Alright, now let us find angle X. Now to find angle X, it's going to be easy. You look at this, you are having vertical opposite angles here. If it's like this and that line there, so this angle is vertical opposite to that one there. Therefore, angle X is equal to 48 degrees. The reason will be vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. That will be the reason there. Alright. Now let us move on. Let us find Y. Finding Y. Now we have Y there. So if you look at this, Y is also vertical opposite to what? To 132. So we will say angle Y is equal to 132. The reason will be vertical opposite angles. Alright, and then we move on. We find, let us move on and find angle Z. Now angle Z, okay, this one we said it's 132 degrees. Alright, so now because that one is 132 degrees, we need this angle right now, which is angle Z. So that angle there, guys, if you look at this, let me use this color. If you look at this, it's a straight line, okay? So which means if we add that angle and this one, they must give us 180 degrees. Therefore, angle Z is equal to 48 degrees. So angle Z is equal to 48 degrees. The reason will be what? Angles on a straight line. Alright, so that will be the reason there. Okay, let's move on. Right, we are having another problem here. This problem, it's one of those nice but challenging problems. You need to think about the fan weight, you need to think about the vertical opposite angles, angles on a straight line. Right, so it says here we must find x and y. So we need to find x and y. So now it's up to us which one we can start by calculating. We can first calculate y if we like, we can calculate x if we like, it's up to us. But then let us calculate x first. All right, so we are having a Z shape here. Okay, it's a Z shape like this, which means that angle there is equal to this angle here. All right, Z shape. So because the two angles are equal, we need to equate them. So it's x plus 20 degrees, which is equal to 2x minus 20 degrees. And then we must give a reason why. So those are the alternate angles. Alright guys, here it says we must also prove that AC is parallel to DE. Okay, so now now let's check how do we prove it. This one we said is 48 degrees. So now let us look at the Z shape, okay, if it does work. Alright, so it's like this. Excuse, the Z shape, it's like this. Alright, the one in red color. So this angle should be equal to that angle there. Alright, we said angle Z is equal to 48 because they were angles on a straight line. Now when you look at the vertical opposite angles, this one also give us what? 48. So therefore these two lines are parallel. Okay, so we can say we are having alternate angles. We also have co-interior angles. We also have corresponding angles. So therefore we can say AC is parallel to DE. All right.